Hello, my name is Dorcas. For those who are new, I'm glad that you continue to watch my videos on my channel, and so many questions have been raised, and today I'll be addressing one of them. So you're welcome. If you've not listened to any of other of my videos, then kindly subscribe so that you can get notification every time a new video is up. And the question that was raised was called by someone who has been looking at my work, and they were asking me about network marketing, usually referred to as multi-level marketing. And the question is it a straight business or is it a scam? We will I just want to clarify a few things, and I hope this will be helpful to you. And I would say that network marketing is touted as a business model alternative to the traditional way of distribution of goods, the retail business. So what network marketing does is to eliminate the need for a wholesaler and the advertising, so that you use your network to distribute your good. Why am I talking about it here? Because the network marketing is an investment option, and so when people want to invite you to be part of their network, I hope I'm clear on what it is, because ni hizi vitu za I recruit you, you recruit someone else, so that someone else recruits someone else, and then you go moving a level higher as the people under you recruit others. And I'll be keen to explain the difference between network marketing and pyramid schemes, because the line is very thin, and if you are not careful, you might end up finding yourself in a pyramid scheme while thinking you are in a legit business. And those people who will come wanting you to get into their networks will tell you things like you'll earn commissions, bonuses, and those rewards that are really hyped. And so we need to ask ourselves, is it a legit business? And how would you know that you're not getting yourself into a scam and you're getting your money into an investment? Because what happens in network marketing is that you must buy some products, and those products are the source of income. That is the way through which you get to be paid. It's a concept that began in early 1990s, and the distinguishing factor between network marketing and pyramid scheme is that there is actually an actual product that is being moved. So the products range from jewelry, watches, personal care products, travel packages, nutritional supplements, travel plans, etc. At this point, I want to give the distinction between network marketing or multi-level marketing, MRM, and pyramid scheme. They work more or less the same in terms of you recruiting someone to recruit others, but a pyramid scheme you only make money by recruiting someone else. So ideally, a pyramid scheme, and we have heard about them. So sorry, these are some of the things I talk about, and I actually feel very sorry, because people have lost in this country. They have lost in this country, Kenya. They have lost a lot of money in pyramid scheme, because what happens in a pyramid scheme is that I recruit you, you recruit others. So it's actually something like you stealing from one person to pay the other, and so the ones who get into that scheme early are the ones who benefit. So it's bound to fail, because the number of people who subscribe will come to an end. You know, the society is limited to the number of people who can subscribe to that scheme. And so when there are no more people to recruit in a pyramid scheme, it actually collapses. Sorry. An example is Desi, which was there in 2006 and 2007. There was yet another one last year, 2019, called Velox Trading. They were trading bitcoins, and people lost quite some amount of money. Why I thought it's important for me to talk about this subject is so that you're careful, so that you don't invest your money, hard-earned money, into a place where you're losing it. And among the questions that you should ask yourself is, what is the compensation structure? Indeed, get to understand before you give your 1,000, 10,000, or buy whatever product. Ask yourself, what is the compensation structure of the network that you're getting yourself into? The second thing is that you don't want to sell something you do not believe in. So understand the product. Get to use, if it's a beauty product, if it's a nutritional product, because you will be using your networks, your friends, your family to move products. You better be fully knowledgeable on what products you are moving. So those two things, once you have understood them, then there are few questions I will highlight as I come to a close, which will help you determine whether you're getting yourself into a pyramid scheme or you're getting yourself into a legit network of moving legit products. And number one is, can you make substantial profit from just selling the products without recruiting someone else? If you have no one else to recruit, can you make money, sustainable profit out of that business? The other question you need to ask yourself is, how long does it take for you to make money? Because kuna vitu unaweza you register people, maybe the amount that someone is supposed to give out is too high, and it might take you too long for you to ever get any income from it. So ask yourself, for how long would it take me to earn anything from this network? How much of a product is sold to the retail customer? You also don't want to get your money, your investment, to a product that doesn't move. Ask yourself, this product that I'm getting into a network in selling, or even if I won't sell, the network below me, is it a product that moves? Because kuna vitu unaweza chukua ununue, but there are no end users or people where you are in your network are not interested. Are there incentives if you buy in large quantities? Because you must not necessarily make money out of recruiting other people below you, but you should get into a network where if you buy in a large amount, then at that point you are able to go to a higher level in the rank, or earn more. And finally, what is the failure rate? When I began doing videos on finances and basically issues money, I said, and someone raised a question, that I have made many mistakes in terms of investment. You do not want to put your hard-earned money, your savings, your borrowed finances into a business that won't work. Because the essence of investing is getting more money. And so you also need to find out what is the failure rate of the people who have gotten into that business and what is the success rate. Sometimes this information may not come from the person who is recruiting you, because they are also interested in moving to a higher rank and getting more earnings. But please be careful when you're getting into network marketing. Finally, I would say that network marketing, the success rate in this country is very low because of the pyramid schemes that have been there. I'm not writing it off. I'm only saying, if you have to get into it, please make sure that you have all the information that you need before you commit your monies. Thank you so much for watching. It is great learning and growing together with you. The questions I get, the comments below, really guide me on what to talk about next. Have a great day and God bless you.